Hi, in front of me is Nokia XR20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and choose security. Now tap on face unlock, enter your current login method and tap on set up face unlock. Then choose start at the bottom right corner. And click done. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!